such a car, okay, my friend is the same near when you born. Our way, I can free and find a buyer.
One from Ukrum, one from Nigeria, 1,075 kilometers per.
And in Nigeria from Kwanawa. And Uko East Legon, Metro baby. East Legon, American House, and Potemo. Filling station, be a Murphy filling station. Directly opposite that filling station. Such a residential area. Said the East Legon City, Kona Kore and Crawford Musriska, they are more than 20 in my bon system, or your friends saying, or Mubochnia, no Matias, more than 20 independent be a yet your memu am will be a man, Hoswan, no abo memu, no bed your pen or cop. Obedient means will be the check, and a mountain so fat traffic light, yes, free, equasi puquasi. Never and crowd doa, or Mania Ghana, they shall do from Kroma bar, or Manama Bontis cat. Some crowd will be new society man. What do you expect them to do? What you say? Because only baby that only any sense of social belonging. About the Abian in the moon. As a penny in the kruma. In the Eja woman, Omanam Sam, I say, Mammy Tikuja time. And Obeka say, and Cranomanam Montiomon says it's getting a crime. It's why I bet you do betum, and I'll be more said, you Mukrum, ye be you free the street, and a wabe mescano crano, once what from Rania, the ecosystem. Ekusi saying, Udi onya adagea, minim sa odi eba bamboa, uni mupa. Onya adagea, security analyst, bineni ninkomo. Na hwe, kwanya, amama wudu obi entokwasi su ye fa su using kwada. Unya time ya hwe sa documentary, your friend Cry Free Town.
Cry Free Town.
Cry Free Town.
Okay.
And cry 6 years, our more snipers. Because now omo mountain that they were street children. And it was easy, so you bet me manipulate you. My friend operation called Bobby caught hand, caught leg. You try manuful, try be night, try be inside. Theatre to Honsa and cry on free child ne Niger Mali near Yibabes and Noma. Ombes is Kawukruma ene. Omo mobile 15 years ago no. Samri for 15 years, I can feel no. So now 7 years, crowd 22 years. What the kruma there no ye.
Why a gun in it?
Yet, yes, I say, in a Bibiana, and Yarena Famania Mena Honsa, and Crofoya Yeka say, in a Nigeria fool, and a hay for Mufri for buy, and then Umbu Kruma, one among Kwamo buy, or more Kratas or some Kruma. No money Krata, I didn't yet why I hear. Well, Ubinka said, Yanquatata will be. But Uko Krubiama, Ubia one emra would do so. Yes, I said Buko Roma, no idea Roman for ye. Ye could you Wahayakra, what an Amontino Caranta, Yancho. I don't know Ghana do be at me by bed your pair. This year came as MC and Sanya Betnas near Sakan say, yeah, you are political talk, political English near Becca, never again. Well, you had no maybe diagro.
ECOWAS.
You had no maybe diagro. No, ECOWAS no. Free movement. Who bet me a movie?
90 days.
But movement now moving on. Who movie with Emra? Who movie Basabasa? Now the Wabadam.
ECOWAS.
Yet it was a Jaja and call a year friends and Christian village. Open that crowd when you be. If you are $40, Kokwabenyani in a Ghana 40 kruma yet me high dying. Na Kwabrani free the crum, Sabe make us will be fun and eating Kusubi so no aba. One when you what it internet on cafe. Aden.
Ye trace IP address na yes a Ghanaian youth a frosters. Because Hanote no ye Juma nunti trace IP address na eba Ghana. Ye trace bibi eba Ghana. Ubehena enye Ghana ni.
Your borders na yes in the Puros. Africa as borders you Puros. Maybe by Juma 15 years ago. And I'm better say as border you Puros. 15 years ni sabi you nyanza. E Puros ayenye. Say your hand as a who here. Say a chest card toward the editor a back on a chrome kind of sample. Yeah, obisi your quarter at the moment.
Judgment debt.
You just can't find your judgment debt. Now then, yet we just can't find and fix your borders. Near the immigration for Kugo. Some I am more than yet do Maku go so much when you say the Paboniphobia and from Remoha. This will be your mobile. Omugo heading. Bosman so much jacket.
I have only one big question. Is Ghana safe?
And yes, safe the safe. Question with me, Sakoju, Memisa, wouldn't say safe. Yet to come and a JB down what than them. Sabimen Kabusu for you. And Russia be genuine than them. One corner club and a car born and will be on a second. What that than a demo to team. Fabrani to call Codino and once my cousin saying, Find a coach who we are this and 4 years. I was saying,
on the crane who and she will be ample.
Kojo anope akomande yakosro wo de me say Ghana wudi Ghana chia obebodam Ghana wudi Ghana chia obebodam ya de bibia di agro including the lives of the people we govern.
It's getting serious.
Okay.
Nana de bon krata no wa ha yemfa bi mum sam no de ekira anhwa nana na me sha ase na na me nka Ghana asema sha ase no asem bi wa ha manage ho pa free Tanzania yes Tanzania wo mu wekuo bi e from Tanzania Standard Watchdog nyabotre wo mu ani abrese wo mu nhefos so wo be shefos kra e de wa bonte so nye pieto ani brazia ani boxer enti wo mo akwakoche enuoma a wo mususu se eye underwear ya obi ene kra force pieto ne ne underwear ene wadi kokrom honom enti kwasi ada ya mpanifo akwakodoa sa ne omani nyina ya wo mo se Arusha ko Kilimanjaro area ho ena na nipa kod ne ni akira wo mo so mo akwakoji ne nyina sa obeka ya acha bi ene ese ya bra force pieto ne Brazil aye kra edeba Ghana ha ana ya revoke
na Ghana ye bra bibia adwuma
ko mi hu ya na me say ya wasamra we bi wo Ghana ha na no na papa bi e de asem bi aba beto hanom
tobo answer ko papa na de so be ka last 2 years asimfusu na abranti bi pieto swapping obeka ye story
pieto kwa no dada kwa no akwaje mu
no
pesa de na yampa
pieto bata
ya ne kaza there were videos so kwa Adom online crime kai say sabe
pieto bata
Alfred amona ye story ne de buy achese man say ya ne sa to the better kwa na de akwaje wan
asama na mo kanu na me hwehwe story bi enra world nomads the fastest growing online UK a year about Ghana. They say Ghana is one of the gems of West Africa. It's a relatively stable country in a region not known for peace and stability. But West Africa is a lot different to East and Southern Africa, and crime is constant. It's important to be very aware when traveling to Ghana to keep your mind on the number of dangers around. Tourists need to be careful in Ghana. Tourists need to be careful in Ghana. They are often the target of criminal elements, many who operate around tourist locations. Travelers, particularly women on their own, are the target of opportunistic crimes such as muggings, bag snatching, petty theft, and pickpocketing. These crimes are common in the markets of Ghana, tourist attractions, and beaches. Beaches are often areas of crime throughout Africa, but Ghana is gradually becoming worse. Armed robberies and other violent crimes, including rape and house evasions, are increasing in frequency. There have been reports of passengers in taxis being robbed by drivers. This sort of crime is not necessarily unique to Ghana. These are quite common in the areas of East and Africa. Wasabi repeat, but it's gradually increasing in Ghana.
Osi increasing me boy. Or might be a mensem womunti yet ya Ghana hey near we bra kronfo I know motia omuya nkakra and no na moderate. Increasing
amoy kronfo no oba no wenya bibia amfa kra otimi pai kraba. Any how this kind of better from.
And it's also increasing just say no enyini.
Ba ne say nyini hwe. Me kai say ye koye assessment of Ghana security some time back mention baby ko. But also can say relatively stable. Ghana moving from a stable peaceful country to a relatively unstable peaceful country. And Nigeria is heading towards crisis. Etiya yabama kwanya to say the oka say bag snatching and then anti-tourist every ni no we tourists be anyone and need that hope so can we obeba Ghana yes we say you promote tourism it is you promote tourism ni wie na se nipa no yentmi am put system in place a eba me na feel conducive a oba wonsuro ni ayi a hwan na beba na yenye sika no na ekwesi konso ogina kwantia sa nkrofo yi a omo India yes ya kidnap obi e Ghana ni den sa no ma na ekoso no wo de opa hwe se ye chi sa nkrofo na ye for ye nso obi so but the dey pie ni ye nyina enim sa dodo na anya Ghana for
komi tourism ho se be promote a ade ba ko wo se yetimi promote ni ye eye peace any security mami show so bi e wo baby na okan ehu se yes Ghana eye peaceful la na ope baby akọ holiday a obeba Ghana oba bedu a na opese okọ beach a obebisa baby a beach wo obedu na opese ohwehwe niema a ewo Ghana obebisa se he na mekọ a metimi hu ade a menhunu bida na se otise yes Ghana ye wo fort your castles na opese obehwe na otise peace anyhow oma peace no security no ene hia kane ansa na watimi promote ade awo no enti se nipa no tise wo ko na otise yes married in sa betima ba besi Ghana mama fo ja yaresa no yare a oma sanso onu married nsa no ho ne abonitu aku no
na wo na wote Ghana ha no ena upia na dwo a wotwitwa wani na hwan na emra
na odi empopie
Can Chronicle na yanko.
Mr. D.H. Abobi. And now what the Democrat Daily Graphic never to so Eduasa 9. What the asma beto was
so mama na yankwa homa so na fe me ne openi amwako ata menya ne position nanka ne rank kan pepa senior officer mpacho wo rank ne yesai.
Yes, Superintendent.
Okay. Super Amwakwata, Head of Communications, Ghana Immigration Service. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Mpacho to say.
Roma.
Yo. Yes, sir. We are. A backroma titru we fi West Africa banno. Nigeria, Ivory Coast, Mali, any other countries now mbembe na wo mo bahano. And she say ya e mo kwan mo de bahano dey ya.
You will be asking am chere tie for so. And say West Africa normally say ECOWAS citizens and ECOWAS including also and paying for almost as a cata biano the ECOWAS protocol. The ECOWAS protocol according to and share on say we ECOWAS citizen, a member of the ECOWAS states over another ECOWAS country. The only answer when your passports. Now the car said you bar with the high hotel over DT Akonyamba. Who do border ya show o passport say valid. Ya say you won our passport ma. Ya say at the country how they back Ghana no. And that's a ECOWAS country no. Okay, now ya move from the ECOWAS protocol no to say obisa no. If man up to 90 days visa free. Obeta Ghana. So after 90 days no per se or more days and we go the nearest immigration office. Now we can extend the stay. Into share or no.
It's an HSS obi bana obewram na ofa kweti kwan bi bewram na only 90 days ribia or illegal immigrants.
Exactly.
Sankrofo Pachokasa.
Sorry. It's also yes along the eastern frontier to go near corner. You a lot of unapproved and a bit me from Eddie room. Obisana wabana one for the approved point of entry. We are illegal immigrants. And as of Bampuna 90 days in the mount. And our oversee that 90 days. Our hack or any category just send there and so we are illegal immigrants.
Pacho, you're very difficult dealing with African nationals in Ghana.
Yes. Okay, along the border lines. If it be border residents, maybe or maybe or to go side, no. He just walk across the street, maybe negative or Bahoy Ghana side. So they move in and out. And I say, oh, to goes near for Ghana. Or Babege a Quebima, or we are no accord. And in West Africa is a now blacks. At times, one she needs a Yakasa now, or Becano Nation say, we a Nigerian, we to go Lisa. One she bed is Obeka say, as soon as you okay, or a Nigerian, and now a Togoni. Unless maybe a form of identity or selling a Casanos in the nation, a Unimasa way on your Ghanani. It's getting to see people walking normally on the street say where you're from now, so or you're from West Africa, at times it's a bit difficult.
So what we are dealing with the Nigerian community. Denya ye walata for ha. Omote omwasi ye eyo omajuma papa omudi emraso won awar Ghana for naturalize. Enya won na wasem na meka. Nigerians say what your system mu say ya. What I say one person be dimraso no. How difficult it is to deal with the situation.
You me that say. Yen as a service, Ghana Immigration Service. Yena yama ho kwa say akokwa ha. Yen hwe won omatena ene adwuma mo ye empo omo ba Ghana no moko. Ye bodo ko modin let's say obi ra Ghana na yamano ya condition say bi on san bosomi ba ko bosomi no na bosomi miensa. Oyen remuvia ye wo Department of Enforcement. Omo de say ombeko ikrum shopping areas, hotels, factories, akohese awo hono on kata omdi ejuma na se omuni kata on dey ejuma na atansa na logistics wise ana data kakrantino ebia one man address metre broni so but no one broni so at times it's difficult to be able to make a follow-up to see, say, hey, I'm as soon as you know. But very soon, I mentioned the World Bank approve immigration. I don't know if it's me, a moment I will be Roma, your best travel card, no. All our enforcement units will capture your data. I know if it's me, when you move from point A to point B, you bet me, I make a follow-up. And for say, obey your mob. Company A, now immediately we'll get to know and follow you up at company B to see say Omababaye Unkrata and Asomabaye.
And I think early this year or late last year, I did the story before last 2 months. Sir, Moko shared Nigerians are bodom primitive bakum Moko Yama Juma as officers of Ghana legitimately. Mudru yano no mwesi mubayin se ye ma mukwain ko wohwe video no kura na che se muka mo de ko ye kura no ye de ndua ne abo ne ade gugu ase a se officers no kura menka ne se nyanyame ne di wo mo afofia anka bia wo mo bo wo mo anaso mo pepra wo mo. Such a situation now wohwe there a lot of Nigerians are perpetrating illegality e wo mem ha no mo ye ne den
you me that say so you may follow up from last year about the third quarter you pay for my order say yenko efie mu ani nwadwuma mu baby bia obi kwa oni krata awodi adwuma no yenchi won yenyu fi Ghana baby bia so a kofo say bia Nigerians to go so say Americans so why abegu fi mu a omu presence in that locality no it's a threat to our peace, you know. Yen you in Fiho. India, yes, I say, ye what you want, he. And a man go from the Kupi, Kaswa, Blue Rose Estate, a man, Nigerians, yes, I know. No mum guna, city, Bibina, any crata. Bibina, it's not only a son, Sabafon, and Suna M. Wagana, M.E. won't. I never want a hat, yet you may be, as I say, a corporation, see, not yet, me too. No, graduation parade. President of Ghana, I promise you, say very soon, it's why you hear it be a Jumano or the Mayan. We this war, or Mayan 150 new vehicles. And one year, a koji, necessary a boa in enforcement of our immigration laws. And now, yes, sir, they will say, landlord be our Ghana. Our person do Odaima or Hopia, say Nigerian, say Chinese. The first thing you have to do is say, we can say, our immigration resident permit. And now, what is his immigration status? So, only sure, you best say, for our time, and our Japadibia, and for high, and then renting. Now, if normal immigration. So, say, your conference to say, you want to be to me, APOSO, near Benyam Wasoa, in Yamofi landlord, so, say, Mongopovitia. If you are said, or moon pie, I said, not your face. And I did just one can you do. Oh, by a sotia, we will come there and we will move them. And tell me about I will not say, landlords, no cause or go from bar or to a few film, to a man. Yeah, by reason of a personal, you never be at the time. But landlord will be to me, and my associate Bibisana, and if they will come there and enforce the immigration laws. Now, Kakano, landlord in the Assassia, air boy, or Saquano. The better thing could be as with Namboa, say, Metekaswa, and Amity Taifa. If you will go with him, the moment yes, officer with him, and we'll come in and remove them.
Yeah, Fabio, so now you call on the president, so be making sure some moving here too. Yeah, the Yamias say, I can say President Shiam, what promises say, Obama Munyas, no, very good. But the landlords no end this war. Emran said, Dane, Mobile, no more Dane.
Oh, and if there's a wind so. Nasa yaba ni o se awo woti ho munikata ebia se bijumo mudino saba for no moye ana bibia emfata dia won landlord no emergency newdi yetimi du kotum enfi 2 years enfi mi for not checking on the status of that foreign person in your vicinity.
Wow, and say me if you run obi betra me fie mentimi ehunu adwuma oye ne ye membusa ne ye na kire be pie se abrante ne bia oye kronfo na oye hoho na de me dan ha no a eno no metimi akodam mfie mienu.
But who the cousin ana sebi mo ma kokko amano ne no wo ba say abuche de wo say abrwa the window do ya na sofa phone no afre police for black you are see wa within second police do because I run the safety and security of the citizens of that country. Sanagana so ya senka also now who say go for abodon pinku if you in area in pianopa and I depend be also for now for immigration or for police will come in and make sure that there's sanity. Yes, I want to be able to say, I know the bonina, not near Katasa, but we are not contributing by providing information to security agencies. In Timor, is very soon this kidnap, cyber fraud, prostitution, whatever it is, Nina another brasses.
If you're or ordinary Ghanaian to send me smart yamete hey. So I'm Rama me kwan sir, an ordinary citizen bet me a request to say, Mami Shankrata, what the one mem has a gun in.
Yes, sir. So, Onya Bound chain. One will say, Papa Nika say, no, the because I say, be out in the color now, you may not know, but I said no Casa. Won't say, way a foreigner. And I said, what about Chinese? Nikala knew they different. So even when Nigerian you cry and the cast at donation will give him a noble answer, Oga, I beg you, you get immigration papers or single. Then the law says you forget resident permit. So go to immigration. Open so making sure you can only come with him to immigration. Then we'll take the person through the process. But as they say, or mobile paper when you get into know. Say rent for your 2 cities as well as 10 cities. And if you don't take care, you may follow that and offer your premises. But who offer premises the man? Now, you maybe do one say conform share foreigners like you won't landlord you cannot say you didn't know. Because abong deru into be a best will be a more na intervenient segment. Now say peace and security our Ghana are very stronger. You will feel free to go about our businesses and to feel free to walk along the streets in the night.
Pacho, some Nigerians are omo more officers ni bi basabasa wakaso ne importem ho no mo ye omo den.
Yes, soup no. After that, no, we were able to identify 3 of them, and you process them immediately, no, you remove them out of the system. Star in particular, no, and some of them we place their names at all the entry points. As some of them I just say proper clearance. Only me and the wrong case or ECOWAS. It was obstructing an officer from performing his duty. You know, it's a very strong offense in our books.
But your immigration laws, ne muna enya dia na say muna muntimi apply.
Oh, immigration laws in the more thing. Now it is true. an effective and enhanced enforcement of the immigration laws. And everything I'm managing. Now, understand we can say that first of all, say it took a cooperation I didn't even know. We could even here, I go out to all the zones I actually one kind. If you have one enforcement unit, maybe I'll be clear back on. But another they have about 4 or 5 zonal divisions. But I go once about rather I dare some on. But you see, with these vehicles are airbag, one state vehicles airbag, I think it will help greatly in helping us to enforce the immigration laws. Yes, but you know, every boy maybe in anyhow. But you see, be banny, yavel sumuno, a bit in Yabua, ama yet enforce laws.
Sir, Osha, Ivory Coast, Eka, West Africa, ya, once so, Eko, Korea, and Kratan, and the Coho. But we are one who could draw Ivory Coast. I hear a swab, Sumin Siabiano, as a Sawoko, now on Krate, Kuta, Uko renew. In the same protocol, ya no mean ye near the ancestors. And then a woman, some protocol in the they make sure, say, one mem ho and Brano, so we yet Timemunia, who be disuna hide the answer ye Jana Sabremusa.
It's apart from the few miscanta, we have other responsible citizens, even including Nigerians. Omuba, as I say, Ombedi Juma Pentino, said, United is new, immediately no, Oba immigration every renew, and I say, resident permit cry, and our permit, Oba every renew. They see I shall, I say, I'm not basic immigration office, no. I increase people come to make sure say or more extended or more stay. And on that score, there's a positive response to it.
Mamenda I say, Ejama Quata, baby, I see my super Messafre. Why?
You medasi.
Mensomeda pa super Amaquata, head of communications, ma Ghana Immigration Service. Those of you on Facebook, let's expand the discussion. You better than you bet from Ghana is safe. What would you mean? Let me show you hey. Gradually, Ghana is gradually becoming unsafe. Because you take room here, you take kidnapping, and Rami can say, be a Ghana, and be to me, you be bad, you who ye. But our minimum, kakran, a mutsano ya you. Den na yebeye me no mienu den na sesa ye ya ebe magana betimi ya very very safe our mind mutna ye betimi pie kan no betimi pie ko disco and the dusty obekọ kiravi bekọ akọba ba homache 3 ano wapon na onam bednam kwa ho saa no aba ashtown memre da na duna chesa kwesi da no we dware aba no abechen ade wo Sunday school na ye ko ye ba be free on am kwa that's all. Then the party me call club. They be to me call sorry and then upon a sorry anadwo kra. Who say obefa kwan ho akofi.
No, and now call all night cry just say ma de chi.
Ya ma de chi. Ya announcement say mon train na de chi. Why? Then you bet me I am Ghana. I am very safe. Those of you on Facebook, you can put your comments there. I'll get them and read them. But other things in the
other things in the here. Other things.
Yeah, can
that conversation here.
Yeah, well, nipa bi omun free o my mom very responsible. Ah, omudi mra so krase here you see free ano. Omun wo ho.
Bra, Sassam no, ya can't. Oh, ya can't trim ho. Would there be in you say you were Nigeria for our mother worry one ma. You were a Chinese or mother worry a one ma. You were Indians, mother worry, Lebanese or mother. Maybe promo for the okay Lebanese or me your chromo for.
Okay.
Mr. Former NDC Communications Director Marafo Sphere Elias. De papa never be a Lebanese. Chrome be a soul mace near the anti. Ye can't 1 year baba tanaha. Na woman any young tana saying we are no. Ye nim se be more ha or ye papa. A binom worry your girlfriends, your boyfriends, be your classmates, your classmates, a binom a Nigerians, a be a Chad for be a Malian, say I knew Benin, more class classmates I know ye or free Benin and no Ghana. One more high, knew a money, ye ni more dada. Na ye can't say free to tear your cars and a Ghana, a ye safe no. na ye ne sa ahoho ni biti ha nti omo no de ye ni mo te wo mo wa hanom ye nkan say wo hia Nigeria ni bi apanabo na oye bone da bi nemom ye ka asema ye kan siase ye de ba be ye nkanfo a ye nkan konkosi po ayepe se ye ka wo mo ba be di bone mbazo temase ye ka woni aba be di bone se ye ka se o me bro no amete so ye se akronfo oni ye ka akronfo asem a mete wona menye kronfo ni kwan sa megema me ho
chechua asem na woka na ye no kre on na yese ansa hoho ebetwa de hye mpoa no na manifo
na ache no
hoho bi wo hoso a wasu asa no baabi
da bi pado emfa ho ne baabi osu afiri e manifo na che no what you say asem apanyini kai yi woni na di nkomo kama ede wa manchire mu kama nanso hwe practically enye adwuma what is he achieve you bi dina kogina court so na dan akoma obi abra 100 papers da what be that
afena
ebe adwuma
emra ni what da
okay yeah my main share Facebook some of the comments one chaser I say let's change all our leaders and let's get new leaders
simple
what's it simple
card you be register you be issue who will monitor na sam no no why ne be monitor
Captain we need the ID card to identify everybody so without ID card can't we deal with the situation that's coming from Kunta Kojo Adai Kwesi Botwe we can make it a save for us if we all keep an eagle eyes on foreigners, especially these Nigerians who are all over the capital.
Okay, keep eagle eyes. Nasa adeche. Now head you see central region. On what the kaya kwa report to the ama police. Say or suspect. Say ne ba waha. Na say police want to catch and say they just 24 hours. Name Nigeria ni no report to ye de. Ye kwa che Ghana ni no. It took keep eagle eye. Na say people also dem run here adwuma fanye adwuma. Eagle eye no keep the same.
Okay. Very simple. We should register all foreigners and issue them with identity cards. The immigration service must do this.
Comment me to us.
And who will monitor?
I know the answer by
Captain Smart.
Wait, and that's why.
Okay. We need generational thinkers in Ghana. There are a lot of generational thinkers in Ghana, but they're not allowed. Hi, Captain. We are all sleeping. Let's wake up as human beings. Said Sumaila, from Beijing, Norway. Just because there's no reason. Mental question. I say, okay, I'll respond to a sophomore for semi will be back. Yeah, Papa is money.
And it's a more for be so Facebook.
I tell you, your platform.
Papa, your money,
Joseph Atasi, please.
As I'm not come back on yes, one patch on
Nipa can't be in relation to the year Ken or the Safra for the Beshim.
Or so will leaders be to say
better than our
home. I'm not kind of Cabruni and quite resign.
Anyway,
and so it be neat.
There be mean person obey you say Bruni, so you'll be out governance as here.
Oh, there be me who be near why be that.
Oh, that's say Abukari will resign.
Okay, to your fancy only the
first. So those of you on Facebook, the discussion is then you be to me Magana, are you safe? Who was it? What message?
Can ECOWAS say Poland any UK United so more EU man sana Brexit be basu no more na EU but for Poland now do UK 1 year what say e was say o report register sawaba and na say wutu free baby awote ekokotena baby foforo wa address e wa license so and as a registration card be ekita no e was okokoye changes. It is say yes friend say ye ba be ye card na fieru ankonko report nipa na on fieru na also ankonko report no mo se mo de machine na ba card na ekita na ye papa e boni obeden hunu obama fieru bia sa machine na ye de check card ni bia na
hwe first no na e wo mu se na nye but then kwala pu school Bonsa kwala ba kuma wonya be 8-9 years.
No a gang leader.
Na or a gang leader.
There be yan kind of
Gangalia.
Na or the ebia na eri mo nkwala be 4-5 bi kan ho won be kwa kodru fie pepepepepepe e wo mu se no mu hia se pani bi be wo ho de but those days na ye nyante se yante ase se pani mu bi kan wo ho no na nkwada yitimi nante eko wo hwe nkrase ebi mu twa kwan eko school bi be 2 kilometers 3 kilometers nkwada twa kwan ebia wo be de wo hye na wanyini wo mpa ye 11 years na nkwala akakra kan ho wo mutimi twa kwan ko school no ma sign aba na Ghana fa na yetikuro yi na wutimi call all night na when your emergency call and I say be yetimi aba be frel 12 midnight 1 a.m. wutimi sorry fi aso dem all night no and nante wo bag sen ho
nkan prantwe nkan
me ba ho wo kofie ye nuanom ma ye yi obetimi akotwempena ofrenye me no wa betwempena wotakwa na afei obewia na wahwe time ade sound na be ma dinesi kwa ho na wo share to go
Brian ntem na men kona
ade sa ma be betupunu na ya de ne ko na be ma ne nko asa afa kwan ho aba e ma ne bi kura tibi nya akukuduro okọ no nko atimi asasa na chi
obe ma ba be fu afifie na wo wie na wo kwa ode ubesi kwa na kwa to aso akọ
ebi akọ mutimi di kwakwa na nse kwanja ombe di nkoma no makoketiri obu ya no masa di nkoma na we asa beja wo
na ka se bi edi nkoma e fa ho hyemu ade wo ka ho so
first na ye ti ye memu hayi obi timi di refi no ho so okodwom akoto ade aho peprenti na we ja ne pono se ye odura na waka ye mantum pono mo
kodwe
you see baby a system na
mami fa bintu so se sei na nanka Ghana te a anka isusu anka entimi ni agro esanse sabre no na Nintendo game so wan hwan na bi ni ho na computer game na bi ni ho ye bocha skele
no
ena stepe me kai kwada so omugbo mi stepe di free kwada so ko dwena se na sa se bi refida sabre no bongresi ni etwi na isadi koyon ene sa agro ni nyina ni edi na nkwada timi nante
ye kwa sujari mu a wo se de edi wokuru ekrom de obi ehu
because those days one na one ma me no ton ne ma wodwom ni ade se open school na obefia wuji abra bi o be kwachima na waba nda wuja oba akwada ketoa enya kwa ho na ode ne ma ne na mantema o ma fie
wuja na dem kra wan hwe obi wa akofa no
open school a una na wafuom etiatese okwafuom ho na obekwa akodidi mo ma me no papa wafuom ho na sese wokọ na akodidi bo se nkwada nketenkete wo mo nam kwa mo kwa ye kwafuom ye kwa ma ye godi
ye kopa kwan
na nkwada yi kọ no ma samba all of a sudden what has changed
yam yeni anaho
all of a sudden
yam yeni anaho he kwadwo yeso tete aduane bone ma yefunu a ebo twene ma wosa nipa na onu gina ho as immigration tobo nipa na ogina ho as immigration officer na wono ahu se nipa aso masi woni nkrata o ma ne kwan ma ne ba ye di ntia wo pe kakra dia to buto no dia behwe fie enso nipa na wo ba no wan hwe ono na bebo fie wan hwe ya sa nipa na waja no bofo na waja na mana wuram no ono na beba bebo fie sanka immigration nsam ya ye kenka ye adwuma anka ye ma meduru sa pempenso we sesi aye kasai ye fa ne se o mo fa nkuntuna ase ba ne ye hu o ma o mo ne nam krum no mo stress ska ne tipanyini bi ye hu ye twa me no so abedane asem ne asa betena asa beka se de ye ka ne ye
Nana penny bi ohine asante wo UK or the message about o se ni fie ewo soro ho asamoajan fie no ewo nifa o manefa nifa no so fa benkum o se efie bi wo ni fie opposite Nigeria for memu abiti ho obi a nim adwuma a omo ye daytime no omo wo ho aduane ehwam wo area ho nyina afiri fie ho take away park wo fie area ho nyina afiri fie o ne ba abonten obi a nim adwuma omo ye omo pie anwumre a omo ba hemache amache so omo ba ye top speed e no omo de ba daytime omo wo fie de ho do obi a nim adwuma omo ye
Kwame Ketri Edwefi Copenhagen. I say ECOWAS leadership must be proactive by collecting data across among member states. Mefia Papa be watching you live from Temagold City. Good morning, Captain Sechua and Huse Manudi. Nana Zenas, Captain, I am wishing Jemima Kuya Sika Chebia Bentum, happy birthday, thank you. Apia Daniel, Captain, I'm watching you live from Abu Dhabi. Okay, Abeka Boni watching you live, Captain. Thank you. Great work. Keep it up. Thank you. Alhaji Audu, I like the program. I am in Dubai. Thank you. Lydia Yabua, Captain, I'm watching you from UK. I think Ghana needs address and postcode. That's a good one there. Hassan bin Abdullah Folisawi. Good morning, Captain. What we have to know is that people were in Ghana before independent. But since these Igbos and other Nigerians who started coming from 2000, that's when everything changed. David Ofosu Opari watching live from Convertry, Western Midlands. Danny Stone, Captain. Even in Italy here, if a police stops you, the first question he would ask is, are you a Nigerian or a Ghanaian? If a Ghanaian, then you are free to go. If you are a Nigerian, even if you are a national, you have a lot of questions to answer. Isaac Donko, greetings to Asha Huamafu. Oh.
Am I renaming?
The Hamini say, yes, Asha Huabebu Wamina, Ewo Ghana, ama pine tontum o winkrofo. Monfano ko to prison and tontum na oye o mono winu bia.
Okay. Come and say, where is vigilante groups? Where are the vigilante groups? This is their job. They got to be vigilant and protect us. Senna Graham, Captain, it's not about logistics as cars or weapons. It's a problem of command, data, and responsibility. Our immigration service commanders are just there. They need to understand the problem and find a solution. It's not all about cars and weapons. Data collection by the Ghana Immigration Service is very poor. Please don't mention my name. Mimbo Dinda, CFO Debbie. Blessed Franklin and Nana can come, Captain. Ghana is a lawless country, period.
No.
Oi. Princess Rebecca, I'm reading all these from Facebook anyway. Princess Rebecca Double, Captain, please read my message. One day, this man is not telling the truth. I live in Ivory Coast. We renew our residence cards every 6 months. Do we do that in Ghana? Pacho, I don't know, but I think it's no.
My card no more be there.
Frank Arthur, this is going to be an all talk, and no action. Ghanaians are known for just talking, and these Nigerians know that. My Nigerian friends always tell me.
Kwajo asema okay wakai mu bi me bawo na me won National Theatre na me wadam for bi Monty Thompson no Caribbean Dance Company or see if you need fine ideas
come to Ghana
if you want to implement it go to US.
That's simple. Charles Boatin, please tell them to give us a break. London Street become one of the dangerous places. Youth and motorbikes to snatch people's mobile phones in daylight, but when you are arrested, what happens to you? But they agree to say they won't can yampa. Say a mouth break. Mr. Charles say boating. Say London, oh yes, I need a chew your day.
So you should give him a break.
I say, please tell them to give us a break.
Them no why.
Them. Ebi aye na Ghana.
Otefa.
One for baby ochenka ho. But we had time and we are one winning the snatchings on tikroom ha.
Omra metna ha. Obetna ha e be man break.
Break ni nye no dintia.
Then can we just say agree there? Well, nipa say na dodo na omutu kwan mo mabi hu. Wo metna ha ne man break. Odwen say agro ni edi on. Nana
Araba bi di message about also Italy. Na say Prime Minister na ye mra say we a foreigner. Na say we want to bus pass. One day crowd ye beje lose 6 months. Na say yi ade ba ko a wo mo ye ne say ye ma ansa na ye be ma won krata wo brechi ho no na wa brepa 2016 na wa apply ye wa wo ho nyina still ne sankan
ma men ka say
scrutiny
in Nigerians nyina na nye like you said
Debbie.
Fine ones
time ye de what say airport and ye bi obi bag so ye de pen ram ye ne say that time na car park or na one ye in charge.
No nya Ghana ni.
Da no nya Ghana ni. Ye jifi in some Ghana for pepe pade ne jai. First, no, would see flight more airport wa old terminal wana. Now where you near mana walk about some for doing tente, Mr. Wom Fabrichibano. I did airport security maho. Airport security. Nasha was it was see from say cream. Near doing tente. Like Setua said, what the computers never see room ha. Over tracy IP number no. Country of origin, na Ghana. Me when Ghana near Quadane.
No, I did brogue about you some qua.
Internet fraud, you see the whole world. Ghana, you toss to why? Yeah, Bonnie Bay.
Yeah, in computer, we saying.
Yeah, Bonnie Bay.
Yeah, in computer, you must say, and Ghana for Quan, and Nigeria for Quan, Mali for her, Beninoa, see what Hanum.
Okay.
You were charged for her, or mobile, no Muses, because so one winning. Well, no time, I was or do school and I know this is can. And she says, Juma Braben or Obo.
Kofitre, Ghanaians can learn from Germans. Please contact the Bavarian police. Princess Rebecca, Nigerians can do what they are doing in Ghana, in Ivory Coast. Kofitre, I am watching you live from Germany for the first time. Thank you. Keep watching every day. Nane J. Kofor Samuel, we need to do. Oh no! I don't think we need to do that to our foreigners. Bin mo hawo mudim raso.
Ye hiomo pa. Enema bu ho no ma. But it's a sport ne sa niema no mo awo ya na managina restaurant ne ade awo.
Ye hiomo pa.
Ye hiomo ne mom ema omunim raso.
Sala sodum smart. Nigerians are totally different from the African human species. They are causing problems everywhere in the world. Some of them are using Ghana passport here in Dubai, causing a lot of problems for us here, for us Ghanaians in Dubai. Some of them are using the names Ajiman. Some of them are using the name Ajiman, Kukua, Damte, Fifi, Yao. But when you ask them what they're saying, they can't respond.
When the exercise ban a before you know where you're home. Okwa brutra.
Yes, Antoine Bema
so no asore no kwase bruni no nim di nase.
Kozi say, Captain, all these people should be sacked. Leave the immigration people alone. The IGP 1, CID boss 2, Defense Minister 3, National Security Coordinator 4, BNI Director 5,
and when you president,
Minister of State at the presidency in charge of national security should be sacked. If they really know what they are supposed to be doing, they will gather proper intelligence and present it to the immigration officers to act upon it.
Intina sankrofoni na ya ansake o ma de appoint o monzo enye ne den.
Obeka ho. Papa kwaku akwa. Captain, Captain, I think these things ought to start from our schools. How many kids in Ghana can see someone and really describe the person to another person? That's a serious one. You are right. You're right. King. Captain, the only thing Ghana can do to resolve all these issues is for us to exclude ourselves from the ECOWAS thing and deport all these Nigerians and other foreigners who have nothing to offer but to destroy our nation. We can still join ECOWAS and then deport them if they are not, kind of complying with our rules.
Only there was a way, and I said, we need to be a warrior. Okay. So
those of you on Facebook, just keep your messages coming. Keep your messages coming.
No, messages in the.
And say, be a phone line. We'll come to look at another story. Say, Ghana, you cook 50 years. Yes, you're doing 50. Says you're doing 50. Almost 50 years.
Oh, yes, a beshase next year. It is the own is a problem no. And yan shase 2020.
Oh, say Mansun Quantana Mansu Dubia. Mansu Kenya Gonia, the other cocoa for Manashi.
Na ebedenshi. Yeah, there's a thing now, Mama, for the sign.
Abakrana, so it's a sudden Nanka Coco Soprano, and then so one friend Ru and Shana, and Coco soon can first say to me, the 50 years and son. I and ne Coco 20 years. Not so
030226561216 562. Emu safe dada. So mind be any pedo soom na embre kwe ni muno na niema dane de. Eba ni send ye dru baby away. The kwan ben so ne ye be fa so a yebetimi oman emutena enyehu gradually okay brofo bi what's a Ghana the first na year stable country moving from
stable peaceful country to a relatively unstable peaceful country.
Yes,
achia
tokwa ne mbemu tokwa ne nsiye ahobambo no
oman ni mutena no anyehu. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Mpacho ma minti o.
Captain Mpacho na what say?
Nyame adom ho ye senior.
Captain, no and kan na be pe pa. Am de nyame ase na me second. Captain me sre. Me ka se wia me sre mbomodin na kam chiri mi sanka wo number me nya number pa. Ya pre me tell me be fi action oda.
Me wia me bo ama o.
Me Pacho ma.
Ka se wia me bo ama.
Captain. Ni akoso wo man mu nyina no. Efiri entity bia ye nyai ye na wo ya ho emri bia twam a ene ye free system no ye ko school no ne ye entity bia wo ya kwala ye do fam enso ene no entity ni nyina ni ho eno na mika se nti na me sanka wo number na me cheche wo ne medie ni so na wo so wa mpanifo because o be mpanifo pa kati Nigeria for eye niano ye ni omu ni wa aboni bia nenso the whole Africa hano sa omane ya oman bia sabe kafache omajidi boni ankasa a je say ye ka boni bia omu de e baka wom e ti wo hwe ye boda ne so a e kwan na wo fa so eni ema Nigeria fo wura oman mu ba no se wo fa kwan so da ene wu e kwan boni na immigration fo go won mo no omu dai Nigeria fo e sai sika omu wiri oman no sika be gumbotum no mo yire no mo man no mo bi shebe dinti omu dai ni pebi an fata so be go oman omu be go oman mu a je say omu diewu captain I say na ko for de ne na si fo mo ade we woni penso I say ye wo chi de yenim de yakọ se na na mfa de na si fo mo ne penso sa mre we hu a wan hwe ya enam sa ne we so na apatu mu no ya be twa be tia no because of say obi to abama ne say o man na nipa bia wo ye nipa boni fo nipa bia mo mpa man yi no kan ko fo ni na o hwe no be yum fi ho enyo se bo ko to abane no man no.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Open Pacho me din dia kwesi me prefer dan so man.
Akwesi me da say.
Em say asema mo ka dia ya sem hia papa na em den so say mo dia asem we abato pono so say indi hu abobo. Media so ba kai as a few months back immigration phobia achi Nigerians bi say omo diport omo police for ko shia immigration for no mo kuntokwa say omo job for mo so ba kai sa asem yes, state agencies no they are thinking of their individual benefit on being not protecting the state. Police needs sorry so and yes or man no kwadwen who they obenya fear
police phone I don't think say police
majority of them captain they na that pretend they say we don't know what is going on now. You know idea bro. About 90% of police officers.
Oh how I mean
so captain we are for the phone to they treat you guys differently but you know now from the
oh, how?
And immigration forces are the obedient in the steps near the state agencies may fail here. Look, about me I said to do president the man police sorry, Toyota Corolla you see. Uber who know what to do now on the co market, no the top body I have to turn here. No, I'll go police.
Mamen shower dear, so almost a police carriage in a Jomo Tade. And I say police catch na baby a toto kokko no toko kwa he police adwuma intelligence gathering na ya na ente said ye yetime phone ye hunu no yetime the police car efa akwala onko school bi every day car na de be ko school was awadwen say the police car ni kosi akwala omo intelligence bi wo school ho ente to da niam na bi wo ha ye hunu a me ya fa
I want to not be consider me no we are doing 100% on that side but the point is that captain is about time amomia momodini enkasa. Just last week, you called many madam for hotel BC Kosome. Police in the police car be holding the girlfriend about the police hotel. You understand? No, also police.
Now we are then who's on the girlfriend.
Oh, no, okay, we didn't say in the year cry. So then the year.
Now we are then who's on the year.
No, I said in America, but under no circumstances, so no barbecue hotel with a police car.
Now when him the entire police car no call. I'm not saying say be a woman fine.
No, Captain. If we are going to continue to defend like this, then because you know what we are talking about.
All right, but I say, yeah. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Captain.
Mpacho maminti o.
Captain Atubani.
Nyame adome atome da sepa.
Eyo, Captain Yami sure bebre. I'm gonna pray that some aba. Ghana Captain no wayo hu. Na say mo amuti radio so mu na mo boat da ma mo buara. Captain. You be yako Nigeria pan. Ni yako ni mishishia na ho. There you cannot just go out and do anything at all there. Ma Nigeria for you ha me. Yewo Nigeria no obi ho ma hotel what we gonna for go gulu no you at random wa ba chi me say for ho ina na deport one was go yewo Ghana ha bra shama captain no ko baby offer with two lie ni some areas bi Nigeria for continue wa jo ho a process for what to be wa ya wo hwe captain no jo be na captain no hwe sa not kidnapping ya baby for ya baby ya hwe wo TV so film sa baby ya hwe no Nigeria for wo ya but Ghana for ankasa so bi reboa all control dream apart from that Captain but you do that for them your politicians are we one to pray there Captain kidnapping no or ya that what the way we Ghana na Captain say 5 year problem no politician to we want the credit you better the bad instead of ya uncle feel uncomfortable or memu you better kidnap uncle Captain that no we can hear you and what the bad thing ya dem it's got women and call what the there and political parties are why you know about kidnapping coffee no when you know your other or you know what to or you know coffee no what you do so na member na Captain no so mention na dey go for there let's run all share security ni all the open of say board there about corruption no you dem
let us say hello good morning.
Good morning of Captain afom today
nyame adom pacho mamenti o
yo actually aguna enkum of Captain dia me pese mekanise Ghana ha yija ye hu too much meswe posifu no kwa won to me yesa e bi se nkuma mi wo mi mji se posifu ahin no won kumi anom eni ti meswe ahemfo no so won fo wo hunjim ahoho ni bitum betena komu a me kai se nyabofra no wo yo ho wo betena komu wo tumi fraw obi sa wo fi he efie be na wo tim wo didi adwuma benda Ghana no we gya sa de ne ye obi etumi kwotena baby not one madam hu nkofu bi kwa we ya han Nigeria fu bi wonam ya han na hu adia we ye wona so we ya ha se nkofu bi aba wonam ya hu bebe se we ntuma amfafo we ndi dwuma se we di won no enti mesre mi enja ya hu efi wurafo na di na ye mfa sade no efensi enu se mi enja yi na egu aban no kwa so ye yambo a entum yeye na awofo no womana we ni enda honom.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Captain.
Mpacho maminti o.
Yo pacho fe ma do kasa fe bubu kwashi.
Medase.
Pacho ka Nigeria for na semo a opani ya dey serious o. Ye ko le ko fa na madibia. The Captain. Se hu ye hu kwan ya fa so ya ba Nigeria for na efo basi fa na ya. Ya hu kisem. Ikitu erisu ha. Ikipo mikasi for na manye. Ikitu catch on say but mikasi for na mo da masa me cho kwan ya Nigeria for ba. On group on a group the prayer faso ewura omanmu and the permit is almost say them we more important Nigeria for we on be samba by 3 days out because I can you on a group the hono faba hono on fo ewuram eba omanmu enti papa ye de to kwadi nim okwan faso ba e bo ba who may be say ko say who may be the eba ma ko nine passport odon be den odon ba shawo the go the boy because for money because for them why because scan oje scan mo went to scapi we dem pene for mo wan yan na gya ponso una so o mo sei ye ko ho mo ka che sei o per capita na je de per capita Ghana ha you be 3 months ubunya capital ye juma o mo ka che de ko so mba Ghana ko yan faso in scan is so easy into boy so story be pa na o ma ba o paso bunya scan this year on o da ko bon yes so mo pene for an sorry ya that can the people can say o ma do ma ko e be school first don ba e ba and local school a year a preparatory school. And all my year, no, don't see that no back. You go back on the back of my because you find a second one quarter back no off. Or couldn't this how other school. Just some king. Mamma for the some say, Moncassa, Mamma from yes, I better make up of a now manafa. Yo, but I say. Yemfa
frephobia biu na me Google near be about African nationals some modern prisons Nigeria sorry UK na me the chair honorable producer here ma'am where there total number of say 152 Ghanaian citizens made up of 430 men and 22 women are currently in jail in the UK. Inti enkrata ankasa da UK. Eche Ghana fo a yedi o ma semedo o matum e wo ho ye 152. Sir, wo hwe ye nuanom die ya omo ye 75,772. But still there are good Nigerians. There are very, very good Nigerians. Inti no ye kan ya hwe hono nso ye yeden ya Nigeria ambassador tikrum he on kidnap you bi nti alata for papa home but the kan yina ne say yeden ya Ghana ni bi so ti obi so ma so de ono nso ye pa no obekwa akohwe no na eno nso je media de America ne say wo kotra obi krom na wo ni krata afri ho enti say yemfa nko wo kotra obi krom na wo say mra na wo man ni mu na wakotra mu no wundi so a yemfa nko krom o to. The next time maybe I could do chromo na ho den kakra. Udro bi chroma. Be mo modern so be dimra. So ya dane ya ho aba ya ba. Get in person no better so. I don't want to say.
Here's what people are saying about the GCB Easy Play.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Only God can stop us now. 106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Only God